Hello everyone, welcome back to the DCS training video. What we're going to talk about next is the laundry situation here at DCS, how we bring all of our cloths, mops, dust mops, everything to, how we keep everything clean and how we get them washed and what the process that you need to follow will be. Since we have grown so much over the past year, we've actually subcontracted the washing of all the laundry that we accumulate throughout the course of a week to an outside company. So we have a pickup and a delivery on both Tuesdays and Thursdays during the week. So what happens is every Tuesday morning around 6:30, 7 a.m., the company will come in, pick up all the laundry that we have accumulated from the week before. At the same time, they'll drop off all the laundry that they had picked up the last time and deliver that to us, so that way we have a constant supply of clean linens. In that are microfiber cloths, microfiber mops, dust mops, t-shirts or shirts occasionally. But the most important piece of this is to make sure that we have the appropriate separation of the dirty and clean cloths in the basement. The last thing that we would want to happen would be for one of our employees to accidentally grab a handful of cloths from the dirty cloth basket, not realizing that they're dirty, and then utilizing them on an account. Can create a serious health situation, and we want to avoid it. And realistically, it would defeat the entire purpose of why we have a company that launders all of our linens. So the way that we prevent that is we have a setup at the office, two separate bins. You'll see the bins. We have laundry bags that we put inside them. One is labeled clean linens, the other is labeled dirty. So at the end of the day, when you come back from your job site and you're unloading the materials and putting them back in their proper place in the office or the warehouse, what you're going to do is place those dirty cloths in the dirty cloths bag. Now, if you have any left over that are still clean from the day, we're not going to put them in the dirty cloth bag because that would be a waste. We put those in the other bin that's labeled clean cloths, and they're able to be utilized again the next day. So, a couple important points to remember. We just talked about the first one, making sure that we keep the clean and dirty separate. The second major piece, part of this to make sure everything goes smoothly, do not, by any means, throw garbage, razor blades, window scrapers, anything that could potentially damage our vendor's washing machine or injure one of their employees. We don't want anything mixed in with these cloths. It should be nothing but cloths and cloths alone. I know on a job site, time to time, it can be a little bit difficult. Everybody gets moving really quickly, and dirty cloths just get kind of tossed to the side and then picked up at the end of the job. Well, the only problem with that is when that happens, you have the tendency to collect or pick up other things that ordinarily shouldn't be in with the laundry. So, and to give you a perfect example of that and not following that process, which is the reason we're sitting here today, we had one of our vendors' employees actually get cut by a razor blade or piece of a razor blade that was mixed in with the cloths. They reached into the laundry machine, pulled out the cloths, and accidentally caught their finger on one of the razor blades. Needed some stitches. So it's dangerous for our people who are unloading them at the office when they return, and it's dangerous for our vendors' people. So we want to make sure that we're doing everything we possibly can to be safe in those regards. So keep those two things in mind. Let's keep all the dirty and clean cloths separate. Make sure they're ready for pickup and delivery at 6:30 in the morning. The days may change, but currently they're Tuesday and Thursday. And let's make sure that we're not putting any garbage, debris, or anything that could harm anyone in with the cloths.